Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need your Apple ID signed in and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once those are ready, open Settings and tap your name at the top. From there, tap iCloud to view sync options. This is where contacts lives. Make sure you're using the account you want to sync. Otherwise, switch or sign out and back in. This first step starts the process immediately and ensures you don't duplicate contacts across accounts, which saves time later. Once in iCloud, flip the Contacts toggle to On. This tells iCloud to sync your address book. If you use other accounts like Gmail or Exchange, go to Settings, Contacts, Accounts to verify each account's contacts toggle. If iPhone asks whether to merge or cancel when enabling iCloud contacts, choose Merge to combine local and cloud entries. Make sure Contacts shows under your primary account to avoid split lists. Doing so keeps a single, synchronized source for edits and new entries. After enabling sync, open the Contacts app and pull down to refresh so the device fetches cloud entries. If contacts don't appear, head to iCloud. To confirm they exist on the server. This tells you if the issue is local. If server contacts are present but the phone isn't updating, try signing out of iCloud and back in, or toggle contacts off then on again. When prompted, pick Merge if you want to keep local items. This usually resolves most sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.